Hi, I'm Chef Raphael and welcome to another episode of Cooking with Chef Raphael, a show that's meant to make you a better home cook. Today I'm going to show you a delicious recipe of making fried tilapia. Let's get started. To be honest, if you start marinating this fish, putting herbs and spices, they'll all be washed away in the cooking oil. So the most important thing you need to have is a fresh fish and salt. I'll also add some black pepper. But now for the fish, how do you know your fish is fresh? The first thing is the smell. So you need to smell your fish and it should actually smell fresh and fishy. Now, the other way you know that it's fresh is as you look at the eye. The eye should not be cloudy. Another way you can also tell if the fish is fresh or not is at the gills. Now, if the gills are reddish or pinkish in color and they don't have a foul smell, that fish is fresh. But one thing I like doing whenever I'm doing fried fish is removing the gills. I usually feel I don't actually need them. So like that. So because this bottom side is actually attached to the tongue, you just need to pull it. And by the way, you can have your fish, wherever you're buying your fish, you can have them remove it for you. I like removing this fin. You can either use scissors or a small sharp knife. You cut it into 3 sections. Now, depending on the size of your fish, the reason why we do that is so that when we add the salt will actually penetrate into the flesh of the fish. And then you put a generous amount of salt, and then this is optional. Like I said, I like using it. I'll add some black pepper. So that's it. Now the fish is ready for frying. No need for lemon juice, because to be honest, if you put lemon juice in advance, still if you're going to deep fry it, I'll say it's actually useless. You need the lemon juice when you're eating the fish, when the fish is already cooked. The other thing that you need is good cooking oil. Now, cooking oil, here I'm using a vegetable cooking oil. Usually when I'm deep frying, I prefer using that as opposed to sunflower oil or corn oil. Sunflower oil is more expensive, vegetable oil makes more sense for me. So wait for the oil to get hot. Just make sure that all the excess water is dripped off, and then dip into the oil with the tail and leave it. You actually know the fish is ready when it's nice and brown like this, and for this size it took about 10 minutes. So the fish is ready, and like I said, we are serving it. Here in Kenya we love it with ugali and skuma or greens. When it's deep fried, it's actually still soft and dry. And remember, we talked about the lemon. This is when you actually add the lemon and just squeeze, and the fish will be more tasty. So that's your dish for today. Ugali served with greens and some fried tilapia. Make sure you subscribe to the channel so that you'll be notified whenever I have a new recipe out. Till next time, goodbye.